introduce myself. My name is Yusliana Nusaputri. You can call me Putri or Yana. On September 19, 2003, I was born in Sampang. I'm 18 years old. I'm the lone child in my family. I'm Ciamis native. Reading story and alternative universe is one of my favorite pastime. I'm graduate at high school 1 Cihaur and went to study chemistry at the Malang State Islamic University. Now I will explain about global warming issues and air pollution in the earth. Human conduct with a high consumptive nature is responsible for environmental degradation. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. Earth is the only planet known to have large amounts of liquid water. Liquid water is essential for life. Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. And if we talk about Earth, we definitely talk about global warming and climate change too. For example, car prices have dropped, causing many people to own automobiles. But in our country, no control to generate traffic jams. And physical smoke is so high that it alters the climate. Automobile exhaust also build up in atmosphere to the point where it obstructs flight and contribute to global warming. Climate change because the earth temperature is increasing, cause the ice at the north to melt so that the volume of air around the world increases. Place far from the coast become closer. If the earth temperature rises, then the overall rate of chemical reaction also increases. The impact of this increases reaction speed is premature aging and aging of the body, which is what we can do is process the waste by separating the organic waste into compost. And this has been successful in several areas. Also, we have to keep the forest so that is sustainable and not like in China, which is lost its forest. The way we protect the forest is first doing reforestation. Reforestation itself is replanting damaged forest, which is a way to prevent deforestation, which is considered to longer suitable for habitat and used by living things, so that the forest will be maintained and can still be used by humans in public space life. Second, implement a selective logging system. One of the benefits of forests for humans is an economic source, namely for the forest trees. However, even so many humans are indiscriminate logging for their economic reason, so that there is no selective logging system. Protect and maintain the habitat in the forest. The existence of living things in the forest is very important and needs to be protected. This is necessary because the existence of the living things need to be guarded so as not to experience extinction caused by forest fires, and indiscriminate logging has been done by humans for their personal interests. To sort waste, first sort your waste into organics and inorganics category. In simple terms, organic waste is waste that can be decomposed in nature. Meanwhile, inorganic waste is waste that takes a very longer to decompose. Process organic waste into compost. How to sort organic waste at home. Among other is to separate which waste can be quickly composted and which can't. Then submit in organic waste to the Waste Management Agency. The waste collection and processing facility also works with community the care about the environment. Turn in organic waste into useful goods by recycling. At least in organic waste to make other useful items is a wise way of sorting waste so that the value and will be wiser in waste management after knowing how to sort waste properly. We will also be wiser in using our money to buy goods that are more useful and less consumptive. This is separated by two in environmental chemistry, namely non-communicable disease and communicable disease. Non-communicable disease are caused by pollution. We as children of chemistry must understand of dangers of chemical compounds and avoid them, and have to start healthy lifestyle. Burning garbage will pollute the environment by polluting the air. The byproduct of this combustion will be discharged into the atmosphere. Air pollution is quite high in the atmosphere. Its atom of the atmosphere has own personality. Its atom of the atmosphere has its own set of characteristics. Aircraft will be able to sense how air pollution affects the atmosphere. When global warming will change the climate, which has impact on ecosystem change. The effect of global warming from the use fossil fuels by human product very large amounts of carbon dioxide. In stratosphere, carbon dioxide creates a layer. The sun energy should be absorbed by the planet and radiate as heat as it leaves the globe, but it is presently absorbed by the carbon dioxide layer in the stratosphere, resulting in just a portion of the Earth's heat escaping into space. Plants can help contribute to the oxygen supply. Ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun and shields the earth from it. When CFC chemicals are discharged into the air, they can last up 70 years, destroying ozone. More UV radiation penetrates the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface when the ozone layer is absent. Acid rain, which is acid rain, can have a severe influence on animals and plants, as well as human health and building material and metal corrosion. Nitrogen from automobile and sulfur dioxide when industry are released into the air. These gases react into the air to generate sulfur acid, nitric acid, which gather in cold after being blown by the wind from hundreds of kilometers.